Alright, how we doing, boys? Another trade recap. Winning trade today. Much better executing today. Yesterday was an absolute load of shit. Even though we took a dub, it was still shit, and technically didn't even take a dub because I did a bad thing. I came back in the PM session and traded. I mean, it wasn't that bad. I traded my eval, which is fine. I don't give a shit about an eval right now. But I was also copy trading with my Tradeify funded account, which I was trying to get a payout on. Now, I ended up losing the profits I made from that account, which was dumb. I wasn't even trading my model, I was trading inverses like a fucking, just an idiot. Wasn't even trading my edge in the market. And I paid the price for it, so it is what it is. But, anyways, today we make that shit back. And yeah, this is the P&L plus $2,349. We'll say 2,350 on the day, around 600 on each. And yeah, the funders are back to where they are. I think I'm eligible for a payout on Apex. I need to wait to see if that updates. I know I've done my 5 days of plus 250, this and that. I just need to see if I've met the consistency rule. The other funded Apex back up to 800 in profit. This is the Tradeify funded. I got to build that back up now. To the buffer is what it is, and then this is the Tradeify eval, so we are down on that as well. But hey ho, at least we're eligible. Well, should be eligible for a payout with Apex this week, so I get some more money in the bank. But anyways, yeah. So I took this buy model here. This was the external model. I was looking to trade back to all-time highs. Didn't get there unfortunately. But yeah, this is the internal, well, the external model for this like internal market maker buy model through here on the 1 minute chart. So um, I was in with two contracts on this, ended up going break even at this high that was within EQ, back up in premium of this range. Took one off at this premium 2 minute in here. Could have probably just held for this high, but I like that premium 2 minute for a contract off. Ended up getting through that and then going to a 1 minute chart. We ended up opening up this 1 minute or so. I wanted to see us continue higher back from here all the way to all-time highs. So I trailed my stops to where TP1 was here. Not there, sorry, on this 2 minute gap. I trailed my stop here, just to fully bag a 1.3. And just anticipating this 1 minute gap to hold, send us higher. But obviously we don't, and we end up just getting this Drake candle to the downside, which is weird. But nonetheless, stops were trailed there. So that was a nice little buy model. So let's go over the bias real quick. So obviously, like, we're just pumping through the roof. ES is weaker. If we zoom into a 4 hour chart, yeah, you can see ES hasn't even taken this high. It's a lot weaker. So I want to trade NQ because it's way more bullish. Um, Zooming in again, 1 hour chart. We have this 1 hour BISI here, which honestly we could actually be coming for now. Who knows? But if we zoom into a 15 minute chart, we have this SMT, market structure shift, displacement, open up the gap. So the 15 minute model is what we were trading, right? So we come here, and then we buy back higher. So that was my analysis behind it. So the 15 minute model was there. I felt there was no need for us to come back down to this 1 hour gap. We might go ahead and do it now. Who knows? Don't care. This could just be the internal liquidity sweep through here, and then we end up buying back higher. But now we step off the charts, and we do not fucking do dumb shit like I did last night. But yeah, anyways, we come into this 15 minute gap. NQ never ends up taking this low, so now we have the internal SMT making this setup A plus. Real clear displacement through this, and I entered when ES tapped the gap because NQ never actually got this. This is what you got to do. When NQ's the more bullish asset, you watch ES in case ES taps that gap. and then you got to execute. So where my long position tool is, that's exactly where I got my fill. So yeah, there's a trade recap for the day. I'm gonna go ahead and do my journaling, and that is me done for the night. So what day is it? Today is Wednesday. So my last trading day is tomorrow. So I'm not trading Friday. Fuck that shit. Maybe I'll come back to them in the future, but for now, I just want to trade these 3 days, and these are my most profitable days. So yeah, I'll catch you boys tomorrow.